Hi guys, another little watch I just recently purchased from eBay. This came up and spares or repairs wasn't working, and it looked really tarnished. The glass was so yellow you could hardly see through it. This is after I've cleaned it up. And it's come up pretty well. It's a chromium plated nickel, I believe. I think it says on there. Anyway, I got the back levers off like a door. So there's basically a hinge one side, I think that side there. And then that side levers off, and then the movement can come out. So the movement was overwound. I released the clutch on the movement and it very quickly unwound, but it still wouldn't tick. So I put some oil in a few different places and kept touching the balance wheel, trying to get it to tick, and nothing happened. So I decided to blow at the side just to dislodge any dust and maybe get the oil inside where it needs to be, because I'm obviously not taking the movement apart. I'm just trying to get a bit of lubrication in there. And then it started ticking, which was great. But after a while it stopped again. So I tried winding it up a little bit more and it overwound again. So I think it overwinds extremely easy. This time I released the clutch and it spun back, but I didn't manage to catch it. It happened so quick. And unfortunately, the wind spring, I think, has come unhooked. So it will need manually winding in a special watch tool. So it's not working. I mean, it's so close to working. It needs that fixing, a service, and it will be working. It's a beautiful movement inside, really good quality. I mean, this is what, nearly 90 years old. I mean, it's probably late 1920s, early 1930s, I'm guessing. It's very Art Deco in style and design. That's what attracted me to it. Beautiful Art Deco lines. Really like that. The back has got like a bit of a curve to it to fit your wrist. And it's extremely comfortable and light on the wrist. The style of the numbers again is very Art Deco, and then you've got a second hand at the bottom which was ticking around when it was working. So I put this back on to eBay spares or repairs, and someone who's got the correct tool hopefully will be able to spool back that winding is it mainspring, and give this a service, and then it's going to be going again for maybe another 80 years. It's got a very old strap on it. I'm not sure if it's the original strap, but it's certainly a period strap, leather strap, although the buckle is more of a bronze colour. I certainly can't wear it because it's nickel and I'm allergic to nickel, but it doesn't stop me admiring its beauty. And today's standard, it's very small for a men's watch when it's on your wrist. So I'll just pop it on the wrist, let you see what it looks like. So here it is on my 6.5 inch wrist. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. But I mean, it's quite small even compared to that 1980s Seiko. Anyway, hopefully someone will get this running, get it fixed, and it will go on to live another day. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.